all week long, and now the music is playing on our time. We do what we do to get by, and then we need a release. Mix up with the wrong guys, you get messed up on the wrong drugs. Sometimes the party takes you places that end up going. People see the track marks on her arm, she knows what they're thinking.
What'd I tell him? You know me better than that. But nobody gets to know her.
We should though.
Where are you from?
Venezuela.
Oh, cool. These are 3 of the best books from India on yoga and meditation.
Oh, thank you.
What is your name?
Louisiana.
Louisiana? My name is Dylan.
Thank you, Dylan.
And you are?
Filipina.
Silvina.
Yes.
You guys got cool names. My name is very boring.
Thank you. I will go.
Yeah, so take these books.
I graduate. I mean, I come to your family reunion and grab a plate, sit down at the table, and probably grab a spoon. I mean, look, I'll be chilling by the afternoon. Every time I'm in the studio, it's a classic tune. Yeah, I'm about to come spitting classic soon, like a Sailor Moon, talking anime. I mean, for real, man, whack rappers ran away. Look, I spray paint, go through 1,000 cans a day, coming through like it's here, like a gamma ray. Or I can bless it with the laser. Look, I come razor sharp, with the